Hello, welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day. So one thing I love to do every Valentine's Day or around, special holidays is go to get my nails done. Basically, ever since I discovered Dashing Diva, that has changed. Sorry to my nail lady, you are lovely, but I am so hooked on these nail strips. So these are the Dashing Diva Gloss Gel Nail Strips. And right now I have on a Valentine's. So here is my Valentine's look. And I did this a couple days ago. They still look brand new. I am going to show you a tutorial on how I accomplished this look. I'm also super excited to announce that I am a brand affiliate with Dashing Diva. So if you use my link below, you will get free shipping on every order over 15. So that's basically 2 packs of your choice of nail designs or shades, and you'll get free shipping. So these run about $8 each. So 2 of these is $16. So these typically come in a 32 pack. So obviously 10 nails, you can use these up to 3 times. So you're basically getting 6 manicures for $16 that last at least 2 weeks. I'm going to, in my next video, I'm actually going to be utilizing this really pretty shimmering one that I purchased at Ulta, and I'll let you know how long these nails lasted. So right now I'm going to start the tutorial on how I did my Valentine's nails. So I also did a gel top coat at the end and put them under a UV light I got on Amazon just to give them a little more longevity. I'm hoping to get 3 weeks out of these, which will be super exciting if they do last 3 weeks. If they last 2 weeks, that's great as well. So stay tuned to see how I accomplished this manicure at home. Welcome back. I'm super excited for today's tutorial. I've been waiting for Valentine's to come around and it's finally almost here. So we're going to be using the Dashing Diva gloss strips, and these are the Valentine's collection. So if you aren't familiar with Dashing Diva, they are a nail brand and they create these gel strips that last up to 14 days, but they can last even longer. When I'm done applying, I'm going to use this SC gel setter top coat and then set it under the UV light that I got on Amazon. That's supposed to make them last even up to 3 weeks if you use that. So they come with 32 gel nail strips, and let's open this up and I'll show you how to apply them. So here's the first layer. And in this pouch, you get a file, the instructions, and a prep pad. So this one comes with 2 strips of the red and 4 decorative shimmer strips and 4 decorative heart strips. So I'm going to cut them and use all of these. So I'm going to go ahead and cut the strips that I want to use for this manicure. So I'm going to do the red on my pinky, the shimmer one on my ring finger, and the heart on my middle finger. So size them up against your nail. These are the wider ones for my middle. I'm going to use the cute one with the heart bottom for my index finger. So I'm just sizing them up to make sure they're going to fit. You don't want them too wide because you're not going to be able to really get rid of the width part. So this is going to be my line up thumb to pinky. All right, I'm ready to start this manicure. I'm going to start with my pinky. So I've already prepped my nails and pushed back the cuticles. I'm going to peel the sticker off, apply it firmly to the center, and then press down on both edges. And then fold the nail strip over like so, and then in vertical one direction file. So that has serrated the top. Just peel it away. All right, so nail one is complete. Now I will grab the glitter, peel it, press it down in the center, and then round off the sides. Now fold this portion tightly all the way around to the back of your nail pad, vertically in one direction. File the nail at a 90-degree angle. There's a little piece that did not come off. There we go. Filing down on the edges. All right. Middle finger, the hearts. Last one, it looks amazing. So the edges can get kind of tricky, just kind of push it down. So you have to lift off before the nail. So I'm just going to put on a gel top coat and put it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds just to set them and increase their longevity. This also adds a little more shine. All right, my Valentine's at-home manicure is complete. It literally looks like a $50 manicure. I'm loving how it turned out. Pick some up for yourself at Ulta or Target, and I hope you guys have an amazing Valentine's. So I really hope you love this manicure and you can see how easy it is to do. You can do this anywhere. You can even bring these to work. Everything's in the package. So stay tuned for my next tutorial on more of like an everyday look. So I hope you guys have a great Valentine's Day. I just love doing something a little special for myself and getting my nails in that festive Valentine's mood. So I hope you guys try these out and let me know what you think after you try them out in the comments below.